friends, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be making Iwashi Fry. Iwashi Fry or deep fried sardine is a very popular dish in Japan. Like the tonkatsu, it has a nice crispy texture on the outside and that contrasts the soft and flaky sardine inside. Served with shredded cabbage and potato salad that makes a comforting home cooking. Let's get started. Please watch the previous video on how to fillet the sardine quickly and easily with your hand. Drizzle sake to remove any fishy smells. Season with salt and pepper if you want. Today I leave as is because this is very fresh sardines and I want to taste it very simple way. Dust each sardine with all-purpose flour and make sure they are evenly coated. Dip the floured sardine into the batter. This batter is made by mixing eggs and flour and water, making sure that they are well coated. Roll the sardine in panko breadcrumbs, pressing the breadcrumbs onto the fish for both sides. Heat the vegetable oil in a frying pan up to 180 degrees Celsius. You will need enough oil to submerge the sardine to make it crispy. Carefully slide the breaded sardine into the hot oil, 2 to 3 at a time and depending on the size of your frying pan. Deep fry the sardine until they turn golden brown and crispy, and it will make 4 to 5 minutes. Do not overcrowd the pan to make it crispy. Remove the fried sardine from the oil, hover over the hot oil for a while to drip off any excess oil and press them on a wire rack. Serve the Iwashi Fry immediately with shredded cabbage and potato salad. In Japan, we serve deep fried food with a lot of cabbage, which is believed to help digestion. And I love to serve it with potato salad. I love the deep fried food with mayo-based salad. I don't know why, but the macaroni salad or spaghetti salad also goes so well. Drizzle with Worcestershire sauce and it's good to go. We enjoy Iwashi Fry all year long, but especially during the autumn season when it's at peak. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my videos. For more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!